Good day, LV1. This is Vincent Tan speaking. This time, I'm going to talk about mini split, including single zone and multi-zone the controllers. Meanwhile, I also provide the corresponding video linkages at the below description area just for your reference. This sharing device into these 6 parts. I also provide the corrected subtitle. Don't forget to turn it on if you need. BMS wirings.
BMS for free match. First, from this diagram, you can find that in this case, there are just 2 free match systems. We just need to apply the wired controller as an adapter to change the signal from in-dot unit, then output the modbus with RS485 connection. And the circuit from the in-dot unit PCB, it is COM menu. And then always series connected together, then to the converter. Then just follow your BMS protocol. If it is a modbus, you can just apply the RS485 converter. Then the computer can recognize the signal from the free match. And if the protocol is backnet, you need to select this ME30. It can change the signal from modbus to the backnet, then for the computer to recognize, which is the third-party BMS. Here, I just offer you the corresponding wired controller and the RS485 converter, the part codes, and also the backnet converter, backnet gateway. And also, if the wired controller locates at the last, there is a built-in resistor. You need to turn on this switch to turn it on to ensure the communication. If this wired controller locates at the middle, no need to turn on the built-in resistor, just keep it default, is fine.
If the BMS protocol is modbus, then you need to select this gateway ME30. After that is to do the wiring and just follow this diagram. And this is the gateway. This 2 terminal is for the power supply. It is 24 volt DC. And one of these gateway will support up to 255 in-dot units. For the certificate, it is ETL. And for the computer wiring on this one, you need to connect to this port, ETH0. And for the 485, this port, you need to connect to here. And after that, you can check whether the sending signal is correct or not to the in-dot unit. We offer you another video, so you can just scan this QR code to access, which is to show you how to verify or to apply which method to verify this backnet sending, whether it's okay or not.
Installation and debugging. There is a panel here. When you pull it up and we move it, you will see the inside indicators, which is this one. This time we just apply this RS485-1, and also on the wiring you need to check whether it is fresh or not. If it is not, that means the polarity is not correct. You need to change the A and B is fine. As for how to reset when you have some mistakes, and just long press this one, and before that you need to change this switch, the first dip to 1, and hold this button for 5 seconds. When you find all the indicator turned on, that means the reset is okay. To ensure the communication, for this A case and B case, you need to turn on the built-in resistor to ensure. And just the second dip for the RS485, for A situation is okay, but for B, it locates at the top or tail, so you need to turn on the built-in resistor to ensure the communication. Both connection is acceptable. We just recommend this B. As for the fourth step, already introduced, this is to reset the setting. Here is how to do the setting on the computer for first commissioning. You need to connect the Ethernet cable from here to the PC, and also on the PC you need to input this IP address on the browser. Then we offer you this username and password. Then you can get into this setting. And from here you need to select this one to change the parameter, which is at this page. The upper side is the information for this ME30. If there is only one ME30, no need to change, just confirm the information is fine. And if there are more than one, for example 2 or 3, you need to change this IP address to be different for different ME30. For example, you can change the last value to be this 201 is fine. As for the other one is this device ID. Also only one ME30, no need to change. 2 or more ME30, change this one to be different. This is for the computer or the third-party BMS to identify different ME30. Okay. As for this part, access platform currently only support the third-party. Grid also has the GBMS. And the last step is just to reset the power for this ME30. Then all the setting is finished.
That's all for this sharing. If you still have any other question or any other suggestion, feel free to send me to my email address. Meanwhile, you can also scan this QR code to access the sharing. Hasta la próxima. それではまた今度。